Vice President Constantino Chiwenga under siege. Azvipere mushe pana papobuda mashoko zvinzi panguva ino yejenerari kuchionekwa kunzi aiwa vakomana namutsvangwa nevamwe vanhu vakusefesa manje vanonyatsokuonekwa kunzi aiwa they are plotting the downfall yajenerari. Sanabuda mashoko abudanyorwa panapa the move to remove our Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mzimbai panobudanyorwa vachiti ZANU-PF is moving to delete Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's political career as it formally tables a proposal in Parliament to extend President Mnangagwa's rule beyond his constitutional mandate. As tensions escalate between Mnangagwa and his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga, ZANU-PF National Chairperson Chunguri has stepped in to mediate the growing factional rift. The two leaders are embroiled in a fierce battle for control of the party beyond 2028. Initially, Mnangagwa and Chiwenga made a verbal agreement that the vice president would succeed Mnangagwa after his second term. However, Mnangagwa has since backtracked, instead maneuvering to extend his grip on power, a move that has triggered internal divisions. Mnangagwa's loyalists have been pushing for constitutional amendments to enable him to remain in office, portraying him as an indispensable leader whose rule should continue. Muchinkuri reaffirmed that Mnangagwa, as ZANU-PF's first secretary, remains the face of the party. She warned that any member found denigrating him would face disciplinary action. Our president and the entire presidium must be protected by shunning factionalism, which is the creation of self-serving individuals. This behavior poses a national security risk, she stated. The endeavor, attended by Politburo members, Central Committee members, ministers of state for provincial affairs and devolution, provincial chairperson and other senior party officials. Muchukuri emphasized the importance of discipline, warning against unresolved primary election disputes and the misuse of disciplinary processes for personal gain. Ndomasvika tiri kuona kuti aiwa vana Muchunguri vachipindira nhau yesuccession vari kunyatso kuuya vachisolidifya kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yemasodanzo Mnangagwa must not be opposed by his move to consolidate power beyond 2028. Todziya mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndinangomesa section medu, songa subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.